Do you want to get more traffic from a YouTube video by converting it into a meme video so you can post it on Instagram and Facebook? In this video, I show the steps to make a video meme from YouTube using a free online image and video editor. Here's my original YouTube video before I converted it into a meme video. And here's afterwards converted into a meme video to post on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned to the end where I show you how to get your content automatically transcribed and added as subtitles to the bottom of your meme video. Hi, my name is Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified immediately when I upload new videos. Here's how to make a video meme for Instagram or Facebook by taking a video clip from a YouTube video. Go to Kapwing.com, a free online video editor where you don't have to install or download anything. Click on Tools, click on Meme Generator, click Get Started. Here you can start with a blank canvas, drag and drop your video file from YouTube, or just enter your video URL in here. I'll quickly show you how to download your video file from YouTube. Here's my video. Log into YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio Beta, click Videos, select the video that you wish to download. I'm going to select this one, how to get more views on YouTube. Hover over the three dots, which is the options, click Download. Here's my downloaded .mp4 file. So I'm just going to drag that onto the canvas. Okay, here it is. Now I'm going to select a few seconds from my video by trimming it. I'm going to cut out a middle section of my video to use for Instagram and Facebook. So on Kapwing.com, I click on Tools, click Meme Generator. You got a bunch of templates here to create your square meme video. So I'm going to select this meme top text, meme bottom text. Click Make It, click Replace. I'm going to drag and drop my video file that I downloaded from YouTube. Drop it here, or I can also enter the URL. Okay, here it is. Now I'm going to trim my video. I'm going to select the part of the video that I want trimmed. So I'm going to click Trim. I'm going to move the slider from left to the right to where I want to trim the middle of the video. I click the Start box. I can make finer adjustments by moving the arrow keys on the keyboard. That looks like about the start of the video clip. Move the slider from the end of the video to where I want to remove the video clip in the middle. Okay, that looks pretty good. Click Done. Now I'm going to add the meme top text. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller, and I can just move these handles around. If I want to change the color of the background, I just click on the background and I can just change it to different colors. Maybe I'll select blue for this one. I can also change the color of the text. Just clicking on text color, red, yellow, black. I'm going to stick with white. I can make a text outline, so I'm going to select black for the text outline. I can also animate the text if I want. Fade, flicker, vibrate, wipe, hue rotate. Well, let's do the fade. That looks pretty good. And I can also select the animation speed, slow, default, or fast. I'll select default, click Done. I got the meme bottom text too. If I want to have the same style at the bottom, delete that text and I just highlight this text at the top, and I can click Duplicate and just move it down to the bottom. If I just want to have one subtitle at the bottom, I can just change this. So I click Edit Text. If I want to fit that all on one line, I can just resize it down here. And there's my meme video. Now I just published a video. Number 5, promote your video. Share your video across social media sites by clicking on the share button below your video, then clicking on the social media icon. Now if I want to change the dimensions, I can just click Crop, and I can select Instagram posts, widescreen, Snap Story, LinkedIn Mobile, Facebook Twitter Portrait, Facebook Twitter Landscape, Facebook Cover Photo. So I can select any shape from my social media sites. Click Cancel. So I'm going to add subtitles to the bottom. So I'm going to download this video, click Publish. If you want to remove the watermark, then you have to sign into your account. Now I'm going to add subtitles to my trim video. If I want to add subtitles to the bottom of my video of all the words that I speak in the video clip, I remove the bottom text first, then publish the video. Now I'm going to add subtitles to the bottom of my square meme video. Click the Tools, click Subtitler, upload your video or paste URL. Highlight the video, click Open. Okay, here's my video. I can add subtitles manually. I can auto-generate the subtitles or upload a .srt file. So in this case, I'm going to click Auto-Generate. It says using this tool you can add subtitles automatically, powered by artificial intelligence. The feature is still in beta and the process is not 100% accurate. Select your language. So I can choose from any language around the world. And select United States, click Auto Generate. Okay, now it's doing its thing, transcribing. Okay, it's transcribed. Now I'm going to check how it looks. It doesn't look that great, so I've got to edit the text. Let's play the video.
Number 5, promote your video. Share your video across social media sites.
Okay. Change the size of the font, bold it, italicize it, change the color, align it, and move the text position up or down. So in this case, I'm going to move it down. I can also change the background. I can also select the video options and do fit, zoom, and crop, or download the SRT. I'm going to choose background none. So I want it the same as the top. Play the video.
Number 5.
That looks good. I've got my edited subtitles below my video now. Click create. I'm logged into my account, so the watermark free content is being processed. Okay, here's the video. Let's check it out.
Number 5, promote your video. Share your video across social media sites by clicking on the share button below your video, then clicking on the social media icon.
Okay, that worked out pretty well. So I can download it, edit it, make a copy, share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, copy the link, embed it, or open it in the studio. So I'm going to download it. Okay, here's my completed video file. I just need to airdrop it to my phone and then post it to Instagram. So I'm going to drag it to airdrop, and now it's on my phone.
Here are 5 important things to keep in mind when creating your video meme. Number 1, create your own custom video meme using free stock video footage. Click the link in the card to watch my video on where you can find free stock video footage. Number 2, you don't have to sign into the Kapwing meme generator or create an account to use it. Number 3, creating a Kapwing account means you can store all your meme videos and your other creations in your account. Number 4, you can create story memes for Instagram stories. Number 5, create collage memes to position multiple pictures or videos side by side or overlaid on each other. What if you want to create a slideshow online in less than 5 minutes using your favorite pictures, video clips, and music? I'm glad you asked. Just watch my next video on how to create a slideshow online using pictures, videos, and music. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.